Welcome back to Motorhomes. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome, a masterpiece that blends Maybach elegance with the freedom of a motorhome. If you dream of traveling in ultimate comfort and style, this might be the one. The exterior instantly commands attention. Inspired by the Maybach sedan, it's reimagined with sleek aerodynamic lines and a modern silhouette that stands apart from typical motorhomes. The front grille proudly carries the Maybach emblem, finished in chrome with a pattern that gleams in sunlight. Futuristic LED matrix headlights provide crystal-clear visibility on night drives. The body uses lightweight yet durable materials for efficiency and safety. Flush-mounted windows offer panoramic views, while 22-inch alloy wheels add a sporty edge. Automatic retractable steps, a motorized awning, and massive storage compartments make travel effortless. Step inside, and it feels like a five-star hotel suite on wheels. Soft ambient lighting greets you, customizable to your mood. Premium wood flooring and handcrafted leather walls with Maybach stitching surround you. The living area features plush recliner seats with massage, heating, and ventilation functions. A 65-inch smart TV and high-end audio system turn it into a personal entertainment hub. The kitchen is equipped with an induction cooktop, convection microwave, full-size refrigerator, and built-in coffee machine. Marble countertops, soft close cabinets, and a polished oak dining table for four make cooking on the go a premium experience. The bedroom features a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, luxury bedding, nightstands with wireless charging pads, reading lamps, and generous wardrobe space. The bathroom continues the theme with a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and a smart mirror with lighting and defogging. Technology runs the show with a central touchscreen controlling lighting, temperature, entertainment, and window shades via touch or voice. A 360-degree camera system, motion sensors, and remote access add top-tier security. Under the hood, a hybrid powertrain pairs a twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor, delivering power and efficiency. Adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride, while lane-keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic parking make long trips effortless. Pricing starts at $450,000, with fully loaded versions crossing $600,000. For those seeking the very best in comfort, technology, and prestige, it's unmatched. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome redefines luxury travel, turning every journey into an unforgettable experience. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this look at the ultimate luxury motorhome, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Motorhomes reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.